Welcome to CAD Legend. In this tutorial, I will show you how can you use the shell command inside the AutoCAD. It is really very easy for you people to understand. So let me show. I will draw a circle, enter C. Draw any random circle. Now I will extrude it. Enter EXT. Select the circle. Again press enter and assign the extrusion height 4. Now I will change the view 3D realistic and isometric. See, now it's perfectly defined right now. We have a 3D plate right now. Now if for example you want to make it shell entirely hollow, so how can you do that? For that you can do that by two methods. First I will come to modify, come downward and come to solid editing. Here I will select shell. Now here I will select this solid object. Now come here, right click, select add, again right click, click on remove, click on this face, again right click, select enter, and now I will assign the wall thickness. For that I will put 0.3. Now select enter. See, now if you want to rotate this 3D object, for that I will enter 3DO, enter, and now you can actually see this is entirely hollow. So hopefully you understand how can you use the shell command inside the AutoCAD. Remember one thing, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.